Exosomes are one of the buzziest beauty terms of the year. What is it exactly? Dr. Jordan Plews is a Stanford-trained scientist with over 15 years of research in human stem cell derived products. He joins us now to shed light on exosomes in the beauty industry. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Of course. So let's get right into it. What are exosomes and how do they benefit the skin?
Yeah, you can think about exosomes like a cellular messaging system. This is throughout the body. So when one cell wants to send another cell a message, they often do it through exosomes. And these messages are nano-encapsulated, which help to protect the message and make sure it gets to where it needs to and is delivered properly.
Now, how exactly are those exosomes working when you talk about sending those messages?
Right. So you might have heard about products in the past that were lipo-encapsulated, micro-encapsulated. This is sort of nature's nano-encapsulation method. And so it allows the transport of very delicate messages, things like growth factors and proteins that we know benefit the skin, and allows them to be delivered wherever we would like them so we can apply them.
Wonderful. So tell us about your exosome-based skincare brand, Elevai. What sets Elevai apart from other regenerative skincare lines?
Yeah, so rather than kind of start with the typical hero ingredient model where somebody has made something in a lab, like cooked it up or derived it from something else, we really went back to nature and are sort of mimicking what's naturally going on in youthful skin. And so it starts with the right cell source. In this case, we're using age 0 stem cells, and these are from very well-tested donors. And then from there, it's about our PREX technology platform, which is basically a way in which we grow the stem cells or culture them in our laboratory and control their microenvironment so that they produce the right exosomes. So in order to produce the right exosomes, you got to have the right cells treated in the right way.
Right. Now, how does Elevai optimize skin health?
Yeah, so really on a high level, what we're doing here is grabbing these youthful messages from these very young stem cells and enabling you to put them topically wherever you want. And so we can give these youthful messages from young cells to older cells, and really that allows us to get a number of benefits that are tied to healthy, natural skin. Things like reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, improvement in tone and texture, and a sort of natural radiance that you would expect from youthful skin.
What products are included in the Elevai line?
Yeah, so currently we have two products. We have our Empower product, which is an in-office product that's meant to be used, in conjunction with a treatment. And so if you've been into a skincare professional recently, you might see that a lot of their treatments involved a controlled micro-injury. And then the expectation is you're going to heal better than you were before. But of course, as we age, that healing system isn't what it used to be. And so that Empower product is to help support you in that post-treatment zone. And then, of course, the healing doesn't end when you go home, 12, 24 hours later. And that's where our at-home product, the Elevai Infinity Daily Serum, comes in. And that includes exosomes, but it's also coupled with other ingredients that are clinically proven, such as hyaluronic acid, ceramides, niacinamide, vitamin C, and a few others.
Dr. Plews, tell us about the event you guys have coming up.
Yeah, so you can find Elevai at the Aesthetic Show this weekend at the Wynn Hotel, as well as purchase it locally at the Colology Med Spa, which is located in the Aria, Bellagio, and Mandalay Bay locations. And you can find it on their website, colology-lasvegas.com.
Thank you so much for all of this information, Dr. Plews. It's very, very interesting. For more information, head to elevaiskincare.com.